Today, I'm going to be going over this break and retest trade that won me 6 points with a 1-point risk. Being that this market is currently in a demand zone, it's not something I'm completely comfortable with trading. Why? Because of volatility, consolidation. The market moves hesitantly. Look at those passive sellers above and those passive buyers below. It is hard to gauge market direction when it is like this. But to survive, you need to adapt. Let's see the trade that I took today. Moving into the trade, what I first noticed was the volatility around this price level. You could see market hitting this price level and either bouncing, breaking, retesting. This is a point of interest. 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally it breaks through it again, 5. I also did see this market open as consolidation. You'll see that I place another horizontal line right below these two bottoms. In case price went back into that range, I was not going to trade. That is just noise. Whenever price is in between those two horizontal lines, I see that as consolidation, volatility. I'm not going to place a single trade in there. However, if market is either above or below that consolidation range, that is something I'm willing to find confluence to trade for. And now I'm going to let the rest of the trade play out. You're going to be able to faintly hear my thought process in real time. I wasn't trying to wake nobody up. Let's watch it.
I'm going to consider this a strong break. So as long as I see volume with the book map at the 680 level, I'm going to trade it. As long as we see so it meets my two criterias, a break above. And now what I'm looking for is the book map volume. I'm gonna trade this. Nice, order filled. $297 a day on a simple break and retest.
And jumping back in, right here is the updated playbook with that break and retest trade, and also my new risk management and trade execution requirement system. For my trade executions, I require at least 2 minimum confluences, no impulsive entries. For the risk management system side, I have 3 max trades per day. If I lose the first trade, I only allow myself 1 more trade. Win the first trade, lose the second, only 1 more trade allowed. And then 2 are max loss for the day. So what that means, considering I'm using a 1-point stop loss, is that I will only lose max $200 a day. That also means that a single win can cover and profit over a day of losses, because 1 win, which for me is 6 points, is $300. Be sure you know the condition of your flocks. Give careful attention to your herds. For riches do not endure forever, and a crown is not secure for all generations. Proverbs 27, verse 23 to 24. Each day from now on is going to be my flock. I'm going to treat it like my flock and my herds with my trade execution requirements and my risk management system. That is how I watch over them. Let's see how tomorrow goes.